Awesome job. Now let's talk about those questions. Here's our video. This first question says, please type an example of a 3-digit number. Hopefully you typed something with 3 numbers. That's what a 3-digit number is. It's a number that has 3 different numbers in it. So like 123 or 567. 3 digits. Excellent. What is the answer to a subtraction problem called? Sum, difference, Olaf the Snowman. Sum, difference, Olaf the Snowman. Hopefully you said difference. The answer to a subtraction problem is the difference. It's not Olaf. True or false? Decompose means to break apart. What do you think? Is that a true statement or a false statement? Decompose. Well, I know if decompose is to break apart, compose is to put together, then this is a true statement. So hopefully you said true. All right, let's get started with our warm-up right away. One of your warm-ups today is going to be to count 3s to 30s, 4s to 40, 6s to 60, 7s to 70, or 8s to 80. Please tell me which one you did below. Remember, you're showing me all the numbers you would count in this sequence to get to the given number. So 3s to 30, 3, 6, 9, 12, on and on and on. Tell me which one you did in the question below.